Today we're going to make one of our favorite things, granola. The first thing you need to do is set your oven for 300 and let it preheat. Then you're going to get out a whole bunch of ingredients and some tools, a couple of bowls that we're going to use to make this wonderful granola. So first you're going to put 10 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats into a big bowl. Then you will add 1 cup of sprouted wheat flour and a whole 7-ounce bag of coconut, unsweetened coconut. Then you'll add 2 cups of pumpkin seeds because we like it crunchy. And then 1 cup of whole flaxseed. We don't like the ground flaxseed in this, we like the whole flaxseed for that. Then the next thing, you'll get any kind of nuts that you want and you'll coarsely chop them and just throw them right in the bowl with everything else. And then 1 cup of brown sugar. Then in a clear bowl, I start with 1.5 cups of water. I add 1 cup of olive oil and 1 cup of honey. I just watch from the edge, and that way I can keep my measurements straight. Add 1.5 teaspoons of salt. And 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. I like to add these to the wet ingredients so I can mix them in very well. Lastly, you're going to add 1 whole tablespoon of vanilla, and we like to make ours at home. So mix that well, and then mix up all of the dry ingredients together too until it looks like they're pretty evenly combined and everything's scattered well throughout the bowl. Then pour in all of your wet ingredients into the dry. Make sure you get all of that yummy honey at the bottom. Get all of those wet ingredients in there. And then stir. I keep just rotating the bowl and stirring until I don't see any more dried oats. This bowl makes 3 half sheets, cookie sheets. And so you'll get those out and you'll spread it into 1 thin layer. You don't want it real thick. And you just keep spreading it out over your 3 cookie sheets until you have it all ready. And then into the oven it goes. And you're going to cook initially for about 15 minutes. And while it cooks, of course, we clean up. Now, the cooking on that might change depending on your own oven. When it's all done, the first thing you do is scrape that down off the pan, because if you let it cool in the pan, it's going to stick and be really difficult to let it, to get it out. So once it's completely cooled, not hot at all, you're going to put it in an airtight container. This recipe made 2.5 of this size of containers. If you're interested in getting the recipe, you can find it below if you click on the link. And thanks for watching and enjoy your granola.